Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I have an amazing trick for you. With this trick you can able to do the secret chatting with your girlfriend or with your friends as well. Yes, whenever you send a message to your girlfriend, there will be a password you have to put on that particular message, and your girlfriend can only able to see that message after putting that password. And the best part is, the moment she read that message, this message will automatically get destroyed as well. The trick which I'm going to show you, with this trick all these things can happen and you can able to do the secret chatting on WhatsApp. So I'm going to show you live how this will work and what kind of settings are required. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Now first of all, let me just go to my WhatsApp here, and if I go to the WhatsApp and start chatting with anyone like this, I send a message, hello. Anybody can see this message, but to make it secret, what exactly you need to do, simply just have to come out of this one, and then you have to go to the Google Chrome, and in Google Chrome you have to go to a website whose name is privnot.com. Yes, this is the website where you have to come here, and here you will be getting an option to write a message. Let's suppose I'm going to send a secret message to anyone, and the secret message would be the PIN number. Any PIN number, I'm sending it to anyone, and I want that nobody can able to see that PIN number. So this is the PIN number I want to send, which is very secret right now. So what I'm going to do, I need to create a note here, but before I create a note, I need to click on this show options. And here there is an option you will be getting. The first option is note self-destruct. Here you have to click on this one, and you can select any one of them, like after 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, or after reading it. I'm going to select after reading it. You can also check this option as well, do not ask for the confirmation, and then you have to give a password. Only after putting the password, this message can able to seen by your friend or with your girlfriend. I'm going to give a password 12345, and I confirm this password, that is 12345. That's it. Once I do this one, I need to put my email address. There will be a confirmation email you will be receiving on your email that this message has been totally delivered. And then on the bottom, I just need to click on this create note. The moment I click on create note, link is ready. See this? There is a link automatically comes in which has that PIN number, and that is a secret message. Simply just have to copy this link here, and then you have to go back to your WhatsApp here. In the WhatsApp, you just have to paste this link and send it to your girlfriend. Now, whenever my girlfriend will open this one, it will ask for a password, and that password I have to share with my girlfriend. So let me just click on open and open this link, and let's see what exactly happened. Now you see this one, the first thing which it asked me, the manual password, which I have to enter here. That was 12345. I'm going to enter the password 12345 and then click on this proceed. And this is the message. See this? That's a PIN number is 3523. That is the message which I have sent on that link. And after that, the moment I close this one, if I go out of this one and go back to this link again and try to open this link again, it will ask me that the note has been destroyed. See this? It is being destroyed. There is nothing would be there. There is no PIN number now. There is no message right now. So everything is being cleared right now. Nobody can able to come to know what message I have sent to my girlfriend or to my friend, and this will be a totally secret for you. And not only this, if I go to my email here, in my email account, this is the message which I also received here, that the message has been read by the person and it is being automatically destroyed. So you also got a confirmation email that that message has been read by your friend and it is being destroyed. So this website is really amazing. That's a Privnot. You should try that if you are sending any secret or any confidential messages to your friend, to your client, or anyone. You can make it secret with the passwords, and you can also destroy them after reading them. I will be putting the link of this website in the description. You can check it from there. Any question related to this, you can simply comment below and we will get back to you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.